Today, I will guide you through Cody's Trust Chain MainNet. This step-by-step guide will instruct you on how to open and set up your Cody wallet. To access Cody's Trust Chain MainNet wallet, or any other current and future Cody products, you will first need to open a CPS or Cody Payment System account, the gateway to the Cody network. This is a one-time step, so if you already opened a CPS account during the AlphaNet or testnet, then feel free to skip to the instructions on how to open a MainNet wallet. To create an account, click on the Sign Up button. Now enter your email, create a password, choose your country of residence, and accept the terms of use. Click on the Sign Up button, and an email will be sent to you in order to confirm your email address. Open up your email and click on the Verify Email button. This will bring you to a page where you'll finish setting up your account. You'll need to have both a proof of identification, such as a driver's license or passport, as well as a proof of residence, such as a bank statement or utility bill. Fill in your information on the first page and then click Next. Now upload your proof of identification. For this demonstration, I'll be uploading a driver's license. Once it uploads, click on Next. Now upload your proof of residence. I'll be using a utility bill for this. Make sure it includes your full name and address, preferably in English. Click Next and you're all set. The team will review your documents and contact you via email once your account is verified. Once your account is verified, you can log into your CPS account to set up your Trust Chain MainNet wallet. Enter your login information and click Login. You will now see the gateway window. Click on Enter under Trust Chain. Click on Generate New Seed. The seed is the unique identifier for your wallet, similar to a username for logging into your wallet. Make sure MainNet is selected, then choose your own secret key and store it securely. It's extremely important to keep it safe because you'll need it to restore your seed in case you forget it. If you lose your secret key, there is no way to restore it and your funds will be lost. You can only generate one new seed once per account. Although the system will allow you to generate a second seed, you won't be able to connect to your wallet with it. Copy and save your seed in a secure place, then click Go to Wallet to get back to your Trust Chain MainNet wallet. Again, make sure to safely save your seed in order to log into your wallet in the future. Log into your wallet by inserting your seed, choosing a node to connect to, and selecting MainNet. If it's your first time connecting, you will be redirected to the Cody Payment System to match your seed with the Trust Score node and to receive your Trust Score. Congrats! You've successfully opened a Cody MainNet wallet. Now I'll show you how to receive your Cody coins. In your wallet overview, click on Generate New Address in the top right. Copy your wallet address and send an email to support@cody.io with your wallet address. Please make sure to double check your address before sending it to us, and make sure you use the same email that you initially registered with. And that's it. Your Cody coins will be sent to your wallet once they are distributed. A couple quick things to note that are very important. Do not share your seed or secret key with anyone under any circumstance. Your seed and secret key are similar to your bank account username and password. Do not share your personal details on any media channel. Make sure to only provide your wallet address to the official Cody email. If you have any further questions or want to connect with the community, you can check us out on Telegram or send us an email to support@cody.io. Thanks. Have a great day.